watching. Tonight I'm going to film what's in my June 2025 BOXY charm. I am doing a little bit of catch-up work because I took 7 months off YouTube and I just want to get back on track with everything. So excuse the dark background. It is nighttime. It is September. We're doing it anyways. So for June, it's Make Bold Moves. Bring on the bright hues and dopamine boosting glam. This month is all about chasing joy and expressing it through every look. I love that because that's what we're going for, is joyful moments these days. No more sadness. So first up, we have the OSHA Atmosphere Protection Cream. This is a lightweight daily moisturizer. I love this brand. Oh, it smells so good. It's like a really natural smelling product. The packaging is beautiful. It's glass, it's heavy, it's well made. Love that. Next, we have the Ulla Henriksen Strawberry Lemonade Soothing Scrub. I just know this is gonna smell so yummy. Yup, it smells like strawberry lemonade. Oh my gosh, perfect. My outfit matches. Woohoo! Then we have the Fenty Beauty Poutsicle in Fuchsia Wife. I like that, like future wife, fuchsia wife. This like crazy fuchsia color. Wow. That is heavily pigmented. Should I try it on? I think I'm going to. Oh, is this a stain? Oh dear. What a beautiful color. Now this is a stain. You could see it already stained my hand. So it matches my outfit perfectly. That is a great summer color for vacation, for the Bahamas. Love it. And we have the Pink Lips Everlasting Liquid Blush in Radiance. Over these last few BOXY charms, there has been so much liquid blush. This is a really beautiful, it's almost like a coral type color. Very vibrant. It like matches my whole outfit. The Liss Beauty Speak Love Pencil Duo in Devoted and Romantic. One looks like a very deep shade. So let's see what these are about. Okay, it's a brown and a mauve. Ooh, I like the shape of these pencils. They're like triangular. They're not round. I don't know if you can see that. So one is a really beautiful mauve and the other is like this deep, rich brown. Lastly, we have the Dew of the Gods H2O Heaven, Water, and Blue Spirulina. This is a daily moisturizing gel. Ooh, the packaging is really nice. Vibrant blue color. It's very heavy. It's glass. It smells really good. Super fresh, smells like a spa. My battery's about to die, so if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.